Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Globus Maritime, and if you just look at this stock, so I have chosen the daily chart so to have a sense of the current trend, but it's been falling down from past couple of years. So if I just squeeze the chart a bit, so you can see that from the highs of 2017, which was more than $200, it's been fallen down, and the way it's been falling, it's like it lost most of its value. So the reason why I have chosen this stock is because if you are looking at the trend, first of all, means there can be a sense of bounce back looking at the trend, and second, the way it has fallen, that if you just look around this chart, what you can see that probably it is near to the lower end of the trading range or at the support of the trading range. So that's what we are going to discuss, and the levels which we are going to check in this particular trend. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now I will make this video short, quick and crisp, okay, without much of the things. So here we have, because in this kind, so the kind of moves we have in the stock market, specifically in the US stock market, are exactly very volatile, as you can say, and one can see moves which are multi-bagger moves, and it is happening in a single trading session. So that's one of the reasons, but understand that this kind of moves also carries risk, because if a stock can move 1000 10,000% in a span of single day, then obviously the question of sustainability arises, that whether those moves will be sustainable or not, and what will happen after the move. Okay, so there is a sense of risk as well, what you need to understand here. So first of all, if you can check this trend, what you can find here, that the stock is near to its support level. It is 0.07, and that will be your stop loss as well, because if it moves below that, we don't know, it can move towards zero as well. So this is your final stop loss. Now on the upside, because the stock has fallen so much, you have your first target or resistance at point 9, then you have your second resistance at 1.9, then you will have your big resistance at 2.8. Now 2.8 is very important, because as you can see, this is the trend line or the resistance line of the trend. Okay, when I am talking about the trend, it is this highlighted zone. Okay, so this is the upper end of the trend, but if the stock can cross above $2.9 on the upside, so the next level which one can see on the upside will be 8.8 or $9, and then $11 of the upside. So these are the levels which one need to look at. I won't go further or above $11, because 11 is your big resistance, is a very big resistance. And the reason why I'm talking, so logically I should speak about 2.3 2.2 or 2 to $3, because this is the resistance level. But the way the stocks are moving, there is a fair amount of possibility that a big move could possibly arise in this kind of stocks, and which will give you the crux or that sweetener move which will happen in couple of hours. So this is one of those stocks, but understand that it carries lots of risk, so you have to place your stop loss accordingly. And if the stock moves higher, or if the stock makes a big trading move, what you need to do, always put your stop loss, trail it, and if you feel that it has moved enough, then what you need to do, you need to understand the risk and wind or unwind your position accordingly. So that's the thing one need to understand, and take their decisions accordingly. Okay, so these are the levels, or these are the moves which one need to taken care of. But yes, on the upside, because of those trading moves, what you have is probably $3 on the first place, and if it moves above this line, then obviously you can look at $8 or $11 will be a big target or resistance on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.